Alright, so hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Marami pong salamat sa pagpapanood ng aking channel. Alright, so ngayon pa lang nagpapasalamat na ako sa inyong pagbabalik. Alright, so ito ang inyong daily reading. Okay, so titignan natin ang inyong panghinaharap, pangkasalukuyan, nakaraan, ayun yung sinasabi, nakaraan. Guys, if you are not yet my subscriber, so please click subscribe po, okay? So, marami pong salamat sa pag-follow nyo, sa pag-subscribe nyo po sa akin. So, let's see, tingnan na natin kung ano ang energy for today. Energy for today, alright. Oh, the Ace of Swords. Ito yung lumabas kanina sa live ko. So, the Ace of Swords. So, it seems like na dito sa Ace of Swords na to, alam mo, ito lang masasabi ko, okay? You got the power. You got the power to move forward. You got the power to decline an offer that is not good for you. Tapos dito parang ano ka na, you're very strong enough. You're very strong enough to face the challenge, okay? So that is a very nice start. Alam mo, sa nakaraan mo, talagang super nag-e-effort ka sa lahat. Nag-e-effort ka sa lahat ng bagay, sa situation na dapat is para doon sa ikabubuti mo. Nag-e-effort ka doon sa mga bagay na ikakabuti mo doon sa situation na yon. Talagang nararamdaman mo yung hirap, yung bigat. Okay? But you know what? You have the Justice card here. The Justice card here, sinasabi niya rito na, alam mo, nahihirapan ka man, nagkakaroon ka man ng maraming, alam mo yon, yung parang maraming delay doon sa gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo, sa situation mo, sa relationship mo. No. It will be going to happen. It will be going to happen. What you desire, what you expect, it will be going to happen because you are guided by the universe. Okay? Ayan, see, there will be an offer that is coming to you. So some of you will go for vacation. Siguro medyo toxic ka na, loaded ka na doon sa mga bagay na mga kinakaharap mo. Loaded ka na, natotoxican ka na doon sa situation, then some of you will go for a vacation. And then some of you will have an offer of love. Ayan. You will have an offer of love. And an offer of money. Okay? Wow. This is very nice. An offer of money. O see? Ayan tiga mo. You will be relaxed. You are relaxed. Talagang some of you need the vacation because you need to be relaxed. Oo. I will be relaxed. Sasabihin nyo sa sarili nyo, I will be relaxed. I don't like to be toxic now. Ano muna tayo? Offline muna tayo sa lahat ng mga bagay. I will focus to myself this time. Some of you, inalis nyo na yung toxicity. Some of you, inalis nyo na yung toxicity sa relationship nyo. Kung if in case na kung kayo, yung person mo, nag-aaway kayo ng dahil sa pera or nag-aaway kayo with regard sa about sa general na buhay ng pag-ibig nyo, well, mawawala na yun. Ayan, ang iba rin sa inyo, nagiging smart na. You are becoming smart enough to face things. Tapos alam nyo ba, merong nakakapansin sa inyo na nagbabago na kayo. O parang, oh my God, nagbago na siya. Hindi na siya kagaya ng dati. I think your person notice you that. At nanonotice nyo rin to sa sarili nyo. Some of you are going to notice na parang, uy, nagbago na siya, may nagbago sa kanya. There will be a changes that is coming to you with regards sa personality nyo. Maybe because of the trauma, yung trauma na na-encounter nyo in the past, kaya siguro ganon. Oo. Nagbago kayo. Most of you change. And most of you become more smarter. Yeah, most of you are becoming more smarter. Tapos, you will go to a situation na I want to be alone, me time muna. Oo. Wala munang mga bad vibes. Oh my God. See? Because you've been hurt. Nasaktan ka. Nasaktan ka. Alright? Tapos yung person mo, hinayaan lang na masaktan ka. Tapos yung isang tao, merong isang tao na aawa sa'yo. And I think, if you are having a heavy feeling now, okay, it is also an advice to you na you need to tell these things, na sabihin mo to, i-consult mo yung isa sa mga kaibigan mo. Huwag kang mahihiya magsabi kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo. Mag-open up ka. The universe is advising you, open up. Oh my God. Then when you have to this realization, you open up everything, oh yan, you will make a choice. Your choice is for the better. Oh my God. Tapos marami pa rin mga taong magugulat dun sa choice na pipiliin mo. Ayan. And after that choice, you will have this stability about yourself. Ayan. You work hard on it. You will now understand. Some of you will going to understand. Maiintindihan nyo ng mga bagay-bagay. You will have a clear picture kung bakit nangyari yon. Then make a choice. Make a choice to an offer that is going to come. Kailangan mo mamili. Some of you will also make a purchase. Meron kayong bibilin. Okay, the Seven of Swords. You have the Seven of Swords here. Oh my God. Have a Seven of Swords. Someone is looking for you. Or you're looking for someone. Oh, the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God. Alam mo yung Wheel of Fortune na yan? My God, napakalaki mo pag nakuha mo na yan. You are so very lucky. Because you are already stable after all the hardship that you encounter. The universe is asking you, come on, make a choice. Pumili ka na dyan. Oh, in the near future, you will have your person. Your person is looking for you. I think this person from the past is really looking for you. And you are going to fight for it. Medyo mag-aaway kayo sa samila. And you are manifestation this person to come back. Manifestation. You are manifesting this guy to come back to you. Because this person, pinahirapan kanya, binigyan kanya ng heartache. Sorry for the noise, binigyan kanya ng heartache. This person makes you sad. But this time, yung person mo nagbago na. Ikaw na yung magiging focus niya. Ayan. Oh my God. There will be happiness. And some of you magkakaroon na ng pamilya. You will go settle na. You will go settle. Oh, in this reading also, some of you are having this Four of Swords. Four of Swords, parang pahinga muna ako sa love life. Pahinga muna ako sa love life. Ayoko muna ng love life. Ayoko muna ng love life. Kahit may mga offers sa'yo about love and relationship, hindi muna. Back off ka muna. Kasi you are focusing about yourself. You are focusing about your stability. You are focusing about your stability, your mental health as well. Ayan. You're focusing about your mental health. But this person will ask you for a date. You will have invitation to this person. Maybe at the present moment or in the past, people at the present or people from the past will ask you an invitation, an offer. But you need to come, but you will going to realize na no, not muna, kasi medyo hindi pa masyadong maganda yung vibes ko with regards to our relationship, yung getting to know each other, medyo hindi pa maganda yung vibes ko, so wag muna. Alam mo, dahil tumanggi ka, pag-uusapan ka. Tapos some of your friends, and you will open this one to your friend. Sasabihin ng friends mo, bakit mo tinanggihan? Bakit mo tinanggihan? Alam mo, malulungkot yung person mo. He will be sad, malulungkot siya. Habang ikaw naman, napaka-happy mo naman. Happy ka naman somehow. An invitation again. My God, there will be invitation, there will be gathering. Meron kang mga a-attenan na gathering. Masyashock ka. Masyashock ka dun sa gathering na pupuntahan mo. Oh my God, I like this. Alam mo, dun sa madidiscover mo, masasabi mo na parang, oh my God, sige, before you are underestimating me, now I will show to you that here I am, stable, No baggage. Ayan, yung person mo. He will, you know what your person will do? He will start to check. He will start to talk to someone about you. He will ask someone, ano ba ang nangyayari sa buhay niya ngayon? Meron na ba siyang iba? Oh my God. Tapos paglalaban niya, oh my God, ipaglalaban niya na maging kayo ulit. Okay? Kasi he see yourself to be you in the future. Gusto niya, nakikita niya, nakikidikita niya na dapat maging kayo in the future. Oh my God, pinaglalaban ka nitong taong to. Kahit before in the past, medyo ano siya, medyo hard to get siya, medyo maldito siya in the past. Oh my God. Binigyan ka ng heartache ng person na to, pero nagsisisi na siya. Siya na yung naghahabol sa'yo ngayon. Oh my God. The advice here, be careful. Be careful kung makikipagbalikan ka. Pero most of you will turn back the offer. Hindi mo na babalik. Kasi you have more focus now about your money, about yourself. Wow. And last advice, oh my God. Too much things that, merong mga bagay na marireveal sa'yo 3 to 4 weeks from now. Alright? So, abangan mo to. This will be a good revelation. Masasabi mo, you will going to smile to yourself. Yes, at last. At last, I disconnected to the toxic relationship. At last, the situation, this bad situation, wala na siya. Na yung storm sa buhay, yung bagyo sa buhay mo nag-pass away na. And you will be happy for it. See? You will be happy for it. You are very stable. Happiness is for you. Alright? Thank you guys. So, ayan, that is your reading for today. So, please click the bell and please click subscribe. Bye!